So never-ending updates with this unit. So I pulled the clutch cover, re-clutch tuned. Hopefully gonna try it out here in a bit. Gonna throw the belt on and throw the cover back on and go for a rip. See where I'm at. I put about 4 grams in, probably a bit too much, but we'll start a little heavy and then pull off if we got to, I guess. But as you can see, we got 32 silverbacks on just till the 32 assassinators show up. They should be here next weekend, so we'll have those for the following weekend put on. These are just some spare tires I kind of had kicking around. So we're going to try that for the weekend. So we really threw some weight at her. We're going to throw lots of nitrous at her, and we're going to see how fast we can skim everything. We actually set our suspension down so it actually rides a little bit. Usually it's stiff, so stiff you can't even imagine. So we're going to hope that we can hit everything a little faster to make it over top of things, because I don't think these tires are quite going to pull as hard as what I'm used to. They still skim pretty good. The 30 skimmed awesome. I've never really tried 32 silverbacks too much. Just once at a race, and that was about it. And they worked pretty good, so I guess we'll go with that and see how this works out. I do have to do a couple little things yet. I got to put the clamps back on those suckers. I got 2, but I am missing 2 more, so I got to do that. I refreshed the inner fender with the new sponsors and put a few more stickers here and there. Kind of refresh things a little bit. But yeah, I think that's pretty well her for now. Yeah, party on. And we got to do this one because we put the Elkas on the front, but it's too soft now, so it absolutely ruins the fenders, chews them right off. So we definitely got to fix that before the weekend, or he'll have no fenders left. So yeah. Oh, and our boards should be in tomorrow as well, so that'll be pretty sweet. I think that's about her. Definitely got to try to get the nitrous filled, and I'm also going to set this. I'm going to try to get it so I can get it up on an angle so I can actually use this bottle where it sits. If I pull the line back and reroute it, it will actually reach there. If I pull it and come up through the top, come through this hole and right to there, it'll actually reach. So if this one is empty, I can hook onto this one, but right now it's so flat that it won't reach, or it won't pull nitrous very good. So I just need to kick it up just even a little bit, because it does have a siphon tube that sits down here. So I just need a little bit, and then she'll be rocking. So yeah, like I said, as I go, I'm just going to keep updating you guys. It's kind of one of them things, like this thing has been an ongoing project for 3 years now, and at least we actually got all the parts back together. New drive shaft, new diff, new front drive shaft. Everything works. I took it for a rip, and I took it on the pavement, and I should have got a video because I burnt the tips off. So we had some electrical issues that we were having trouble starting. I was dragging. I thought it was just the starter relay, but as you can see, that is completely toast. There is no contact left there. The end of this was also toast. Good thing we had a spare wiring harness here, so we just spliced her in. This was also barely connecting. Got some cleanup on some other wires to do yet. Luckily we had a spare one here that is mint. So yeah, if you guys are having a slow starting issue and you still have the fuse box underneath the seat, make sure you check all this stuff under here. Mine was terrible. The solenoid was also disgusting. I don't even know where it is. I think I must have thrown it away already. But yeah, I also have a spare one of them. It's nice to have parts bikes. So yeah, we're gonna get this put back together and hopefully you can get some videos this weekend now. Right on. Later.